Okay, so right now I'm creating company pages for my client and myself. All right, for right now, so I have my team, my secret team, and I. Okay, it's not a K secret team, but it's a secret team too. So I'm gonna be creating a company page for a small business. That's why I'm gonna be doing this. And the small business name is Horizon Scale. Okay, it's actually an alter ego of uh, kind of a corporate version of Best Adpreneur, right? So this is gonna be our our new thing, okay? So wala pa siyang website. It doesn't have a website yet because the developer is still creating one right now. Like right now, at this very moment, he's creating it. And then I'm creating all the socials. So this is the company page in LinkedIn of the same company. All right. So right now I'm gonna be filling up some information here. Let's try. Oh, it's not. It's actually services. Okay, something that talks about services. No, 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 no. That's not it. Nope, it's not a research company. It's more like it's actually a profit company, so not that one. Okay, so let's try this outsourcing or offshoring. Okay, company size 11 to 50 and ah 11 to 50 right now, but we're gonna go to 51 to 200 next time. Company type, it's nope, 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 nope. Mm, I don't know what to answer in these things. I think I'm gonna put it as a privately held company. Okay, like this one. Alright, so logo is still, he is still creating the logo for this. All I know is that we have the tagline established is content and management and sales. Alright, I verify that I am, oh yes I am. Okay, I'm actually one of the core members. Alright, so we have here website URL. I'm gonna be adding that one soon. Description, logo. Alright, so I already have my company page. Let me try to open this in a new tab if I can. Okay, if I can still see the same page. Alright, or even the facade of the page. Okay, so I can still see the same page. Let's now, I don't know, let's now try to add this to our Asana. Okay, I always put things here in Asana because I keep on forgetting them. And if I store this information, okay, important information in my local folder, I think at some point in time I'm gonna lose it. Asana is kind of in the cloud, okay, so it can always be saved even though it's not locally saved in your folder. It's there in the internet, in the cloud, right? As long as Asana exists, it's gonna be stored in your project. As long as no one deletes your project, it's still there. All right, so this is the company page in LinkedIn, and I'm gonna put this in my Asana, okay, in one of the workspaces and projects in my Asana account. All right, so right now I'm still using the free version of the Asana, but I would like to upgrade to a premium account soon once the team established all of the mechanics for this company. Alright, so we have here company page. I think that's set up. All I need to have are the graphics and the information, and then we're good to go. So this is how you create a company page in LinkedIn. Bye bye.